What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh guys, it's almost 2020 and this might be my last video for this year, so I wanted to go out with a bang. So I am gonna be doing a Jeffree Star makeup transformation. That's why I got my pink robe on. I have pink wig as well and tattoos, which I'm super excited about. In this video guys, I will be using a Boxy Charms December box and I love everything from this box guys. So the first thing I want to show you guys real quick is Saturday Skin's Glacier water cream. So I'll be using all of these in the video. And then second one guys, for the brows, is Brow Bar by Rima's True Brow Makeover Kit. This is really nice guys. I love that packaging. And then look at how cute this is. This is Storybook Cosmetics. I think this is Robin Hood in the cover. It looks like a little storybook, but it's actually an eyeshadow palette, which I'll open for you guys later. And then there's two more things. Ciate London's Marble Light Illuminator / Blush. Lastly, we have Aesthetica's Pro Series Brush Cleaner and Conditioner. That is all of the 5 full-size products I received in my BoxyCharm box from December, which I'll be using in this video. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed to BoxyCharm, it's $25 a month to subscribe and you get all of these amazing goodies. Every time I get the box in the mail, guys, I just like rip it open and I just love everything, guys. So I don't think you'll be disappointed. If you guys want to subscribe, I will have the link in the description. Okay, so now let's talk about the transformation today. If you guys followed me back in like 2010, 2012, just when I started, I actually did a Jeffree Star look. It wasn't like a transformation because I didn't like contour my cheekbones. So Jeffree Star, guys, I used to listen to his music back in the day. Like I remember this postcard where he had like a blue like vomit coming out, but it looked really nice. Like it was very aesthetically pleasing and I loved like his dramatic look. There wasn't a lot of people that did like these super like bright colors and stuff. So I did his look and I think was inspired from his music video Lollipop Luxury, so hence the lollipop in my hand. Here you guys can see this. I also have another photo. So yeah, lots of lashes, the bright red hair. So it was so much fun guys and I want to recreate an updated like full-blown transformation today. And I hope it turns out great. If not, at least better than how the Dolan twins looked as Jeffree Star. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Before I apply any makeup on, especially in wintertime, I like to make sure that my skin is well hydrated. So I'm going to take Saturday Skin's Waterfall Glacier Water Cream and I always apply it with this cap thing. I'm not sure if you guys do that too, but this delivers mineral rich moisture and the plant extracts help calm the skin while it boosts the suppleness. I think I'm ready to dive into the makeup. So I'm going to take one of my lightest liquid foundations. And once I started applying it, I kind of started regretting it. It looks a little too pasty white, but it's too late. So I'm just going to make it work. I was supposed to do the tattoos at the end, but I got way too impatient. So as you guys know, Jeffree has a lot of tattoos. I think he has Kurt Cobain, Elvis Presley, Audrey Hepburn. I couldn't find the same ones, so these were like the closest. I'm also going to apply them on my hands. Okay, back to the face, guys. I'm going to do some contouring. I'm going to use this cream contour and really chisel out my cheekbones. One thing about Jeffree is he has a really like slender face and his cheekbones are very prominent. So make sure you really focus on the contour and highlight, guys, because that's how you can really change the shape of your face. So I'm just going to blend out the contour and I'm also going to use highlight right after. So I'm applying it on the sides of my jawline and the chin because I want to widen that area. I think that looks good. Let's move on to the baking. So some of these steps, guys, I'm sure it's not exact with what Jeffree does, which I'm not trying to do that, but we're just trying to look more like him. So let's go ahead, bake, and then dust it off. Okay, we're going to do the brows now, guys. I know he doesn't have brows, but I do love it when he draws it on. So I'm going to take this Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit and use the lightest shade to create this soft, thin, highly arched brows. I did think about concealing my brows and then drawing it on, but I do feel like my real brows are thin and high enough. Let's go ahead and look at the Storybook Cosmetics Fairytale's Robin Hood palette. So there's total 6 eyeshadows in here and I'm going to use the matte brown first. I'm sure you guys saw that coming. So I'm going to do the double contour on the nose and then you also want to really deepen the inner corners of the eyes. Like this is going to make a huge difference in this transformation and also the cheekbones. For the eye makeup, guys, it just wouldn't be right not to use any pink eyeshadow. It just wouldn't be Jeffree Star enough. So I'm going to take this hot pink eyeshadow and just blend it very generously on the outer corners of my eyelids. I'm going to show you guys the picture of Jeffree's eye look that I'm going for in a minute once everything's coming together. Right now, I'm just going to apply a cream eyeshadow to create a cut crease more focused on the inner corners. After that, I'm going to pick up the darker eyeshadow from the Robin Hood palette and use this to accentuate the eye shape. So more on the hollows of the eyes. And then with a thinner brush, I'm going to bring it closer to the nose. Alright, so I have the picture pulled up and here's the eye makeup look that I'm going for. So what do you guys think so far? Let's go ahead and apply the white eyeliner and the black eyeliner, and then you guys can probably have a better idea. Whoa, my eye looks super naked without lashes, especially when I have this dramatic look on. So I'm going to pop on these really long full lashes. Okay, I'm not going to neglect the cheeks, so here I have Ciate's Marbled Illuminating Blusher. So it's this pink blusher, which will add like a nice radiant flush to my cheeks. And then after that, I'm going to take this super intense highlighter and apply that on my nose and then also on top of my cheekbones. To replicate his lips, guys, I don't think I have to do too much because he does have really full lips. So I'm taking a nude lip liner first and kind of filling in my lips. Then I'm going to take this lip brush, which is super dirty, guys. And I'm going to use Aesthetica's brush cleaner and conditioner to clean this right now. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is how clean my brush looks now, guys. I'm actually really impressed. Okay, so I have a mix of pink lipsticks on my hand. I'm just going to apply that on the lips. And I think we're basically done with the makeup. Now the hair, guys. The black hair is not going to work for this look because we all know Jeffree loves his light colored wigs. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap first. And then I have this pink wig that I got from Amazon last minute. It looked really great in real life, but on camera, it's a little shiny. Just trimming the lace from the wig. I know I usually do this behind the scenes. And then once that's done, guys, I think I'm basically done with my Jeffree Star transformation. Okay, guys, I'm feeling myself, kind of trying to channel my inner Jeffree Star. Sometimes you just got to get that right angle, the right pose, and then you're like, okay, there, I see it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys come back for more videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And until next time, bye.